Extreme
The
weight.
scores were close, but today's winner is... Right guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back here at Extreme Wake in Northampton with Jay's team. There's been a bit of banter about the last competition we had down here and some controversy on Elliot getting tattooed. So we've challenged the boys tonight to another competition. We're gonna have a game of wake, and the loser wears a bright green mankini down the lake and has to do a backflip in it.
Yeah.
You ready for this, boys?
Not really, because the lake's cold.
It's gonna
shrivel up a bit. Yeah.
If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give it a big like, and let's get it going. Guys, just to add a little bit of context to why we're here today doing this second competition. So if you watch my last wakeboarding video, I shall link it up here. Drew and Elliot had a backflip competition and the loser got a tattoo. Now by split decision on rock, paper, scissors, Elliot lost and got tattooed. There's been a bit of controversy on WhatsApp and Instagram, been a fair bit of banter between the two. So we're back here tonight. We're playing a game of wake, 10 tricks, 1 attempt at each one. Els, lost the last one. What are we saying about tonight?
I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling good. I've got him, I've definitely got it. Hopefully the judges are going to be a bit fairer this time round, but yeah, it's going to be some banter. And hopefully I don't have to go up there in the mankini because, as I said, it is rather cold.
Come on then, Drew, won the last competition. What are you saying about this controversy?
Well, they've all been calling me names on the group chat about it. The Chosen One, Legends, Big Pimpin, Little Pimpin, all sorts of names been flying around, but I've definitely got it in the bag, and if all else fails, I'll just slip the judges another tenner. Win-win.
Wait,
Yeah, you do exactly the same as you did before.
Do your nose breath, right, and then let go with your right hand, and then the rail will pull your body round.
Oh, so you don't,
pull your
so
body
you're pulling
it, and then you're leaving it over.
or do I spin with my nose?
Leaving the
Lads are getting ready. They've got a practice run before they hit the comp, so let's see how they get on. Which tricks are you getting prepared for?
I'm going to do a lap, get my feet in there, and then just see what I'm feeling. Probably just practice the simple ones.
Els, ready for your practice run?
Yeah, man, I'm feeling pretty sendy. Yeah, let's just go hit stuff, see what happens. Chuck a couple of flips in and see how it plans out, bro. We'll be good.
Practice run's over, Drew.
I like that.
Ready?
I'm ready, mate. I've got this in the bag. Don't you worry about that.
Woo! Man is feeling confident again. Practice run over, you ready?
Yeah, I'm feeling good, man. Like, hit a couple of obstacles I'm not really used to, but yeah, overall, sending it.
So the judge has arrived.
It's happening.
Judge, what are we saying?
Right, we've just amended the rules slightly, so the fact they're not going to pull virtually any of this stuff, we're now going to give them 1 point for a decent attempt, which me and Jay will vote on, 3 points for a pull trick. Everyone know the rules? We good?
We're all good, man.
Let's send it!
Number one driver. You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Go.
Yeah, buddy! How'd you feel about that?
I'm getting nervous now. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, bro!
Drew absolutely laid it down, tried everything apart from the transfer box. Too scared. Drew's upset. No, Elliot's upset because he's got to send it.
Well up.
Gotta send it. Yeah, boy. What you got, horse? What you got?
Come on.
So, ready?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, he's winged it. Yeah, boy.
Getting around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Show me your
Oh, did he wing that?
He did the 720, didn't he? And then he did.
He crashed on the 900, didn't he? He's definitely got a class. No, he's going. Yeah, out. Say that bitch, can you?
Fish better get his mankini on.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I got this in the bag.
No way, so he crashed his back roll.
Oh, this kicks.
Yeah, he landed it.
Doing it. Oh, did he do that?
Right lads, that was a great competition. Just before we announce the winner and the loser, I just want to thank Jay down at Extreme Wake. If you're in Northamptonshire, head down here and enjoy a wakeboarding session.
Extreme
The
Wake.
scores were close, but today's winner is Elliot!
Yes, true.
Oh, yeah, go Gregor Brewski.
Yeah, right. You're gonna have to hurry up.
One trick, mate. One trick.
One trick was all it was.
One trick.
Was in it?
He landed
22.
the transfer box, mate. So you lost on that.
By 1 point.
Yeah, 3.
3 points.
Yeah.
Well, 3 points. Yeah, one
Well
trick.
played, bro. Well.
Close.
Drew.
Oi, Smithy, if that was my mankini, I'd say keep the towel on, mate. Yes, lad. Drew. Drew, give us the V's, bro.
Ready? Off we go.
Just wanna dance, just wanna.
Yes, Drew, what a lad.
Right guys, just to confirm the scores, Drew got 19 points and Elliot got 22 points. Close scoring, great fun. If you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, live life, walk out, and I'll see you in the next one.
I won.